So when I met Master Choa, we literally would watch him teaching something and editing it and changing it and transforming it until next thing you know, it's in a book or a protocol. And because it was repeated and replicated and done over and over again with the same exact results. And I think it's that watching Master Choa and that research in school that really has inspired me to work with children, because I'll tell you, we don't get it right the first time. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of really adjusting things until you get to the essence of truth that can be replicated. And that's part of the research. So when I was with Master Choa, he was at that time bringing out a brain exercise, and it was called Super Brain Yoga. So let me tell you this experience. Super Brain Yoga is a simple exercise that can be done under a minute. And of course, the word brain, and me being an educator, I knew this was something that I could share with my school, and I could share this with my students. Because at that time, this was 20 some years ago, if I would say or brought meditation into schools, it would have been a rough room. But at that time, the study of the brain was a really hot topic. So Super Brain Yoga fit perfectly into the school system. And when we first started doing Super Brain, and those that were with Master at this time, you might remember, my students were actually doing Super Brain 45 times, 45, 54, all these different times. And it has evolved down to you do Super Brain 7, 14, or 21 times. So this was a perfect example of researching. We would go to class with Master Choa. He would test, usually literally use us to test Super Brain. He would just scan the energy, measure the energy, watch what happened to us as we did this exercise, and it would be whittled down until it was an exact science.